Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more fitness tech reviews. Join us as we explore the Les Mills Plus Fitness app, a premium platform designed to elevate your workouts at home or in the gym. Check the description below for links to explore and sign up. Let's delve into why this app is a top choice for fitness enthusiasts of all levels. Les Mills Plus boasts an extensive library of over 1,500 on-demand workout classes. From globally recognized programs like Body Pump, Body Combat, and Body Balance to high-intensity grit series, there's something for everyone. Each session is led by expert trainers who prioritize proper form, provide motivating instruction, and help you achieve optimal results. The app caters to a wide range of fitness levels, offering modifications for beginners and challenging variations for experienced athletes. Whether your goal is increased strength, improved cardiovascular health, greater flexibility, or the excitement of a dance-based workout, Les Mills Plus has a class perfectly tailored to your needs. A key strength of this app lies in its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Workouts are meticulously categorized by type, intensity level, and duration, simplifying the process of finding the perfect session to match your schedule and fitness goals. The convenient offline download feature ensures you can maintain your fitness regimen even without internet access. For those who thrive on structure, Les Mills Plus offers curated programs and fitness challenges designed to keep you motivated and on track. Seamless integration with popular devices like Chromecast, Apple TV, and smart TVs lets you enjoy classes on a larger screen. Furthermore, compatibility with various fitness trackers allows for effective progress monitoring. Who benefits most from Les Mills Plus? This app is ideal for individuals seeking high-energy, studio-quality workouts from the comfort of their own homes. It's particularly well-suited for those who appreciate the dynamic energy of group fitness classes but require the flexibility of an on-demand platform. If you value workout variety, top-tier production quality, and instruction from world-class trainers, Les Mills Plus will undoubtedly surpass your expectations. In conclusion, Les Mills Plus seamlessly blends versatility, accessibility, and expert guidance to provide a premium fitness experience. Regardless of your fitness level, from beginner to seasoned athlete, it's a worthwhile investment in your health and well-being. Explore the links below to embark on your fitness journey today.